We are in digital era where everything has been described in number, and anything, everything, all the phenomena been described in number. And now we have tons of data, millions of data, and overwhelming of data, everything. And only the smart way is that you have to describe the data, at the same time you have to make the data, and from there you need to make the inferences and tell the story, take an action, and improve the process. That's what the whole circle is all about. So when you say data, storytelling from the data becomes very, very pivotal. Now we are in the age of AI, artificial intelligence, and so many other technologies come into play. So how to interpret the data, how to tell the story using that data is super important, and it has become a very important dimension. You can also call it as a niche, and this is the highest demand now than any other things in the world, right? So now I have picked up a discussion from the very book called The Power of Data Storytelling. So now in this book we are going to talk about storytelling using data. You have a data and how you can just describe a phenomena in data. So it has basically 9 chapters, and you can see here basically why the data is important, and then the structure. And when you say data, you have to visualize the data. For visualizing the data, you can use chart, graphs, and so on. And then the author has beautifully portrayed two things. One, when you have first it talks about the psychological aspect. Another one, it talks about the bad charts, how these bad charts or the graph can be replaced, can we make it visually appealing, at the same time we can drive an action to it. That's what the whole theme about this very book has said. And then a little bit of page number 7, and here it talks about each of that chapter. It has given, for example, story brings the data to life, and it has given everywhere data is there. The essence of data is storytelling. Getting to the core, planning is everything. The quick fix, making good stories great, and writer to storyteller, and use visuals to your advantage, and the final act. So this is nine chapter. Bit of the citation been given for each of the chapter in the beginning. And as you go along, you can find that this is what I really like about this book. This is called bad charts. In the beginning, the author has explained about bad chart. So if you look at that, this chart is a wealth of information. It has a lots of information. It is giving the month-wise, year-wise, a lot of data points, everything. So is absolutely overwhelming. At the same time, it is not extracting, or it is not giving the result what it intended to be, right? Meaning, so it is not drawing an attention of management or to whom you want to present it, right? So how to refine these charts so that you can convey